Hi, I'm Laura Linsenmeyer. I own a non-toxic cosmetic shop here in Laguna Beach. It's called Roots, the Beauty Underground. Everything in here is free of cancer-causing chemicals. We've got a non-toxic alternative for every cosmetic need. The Sawdust Committee invited Roots to be a part of the fashion show last year for our first time. Roots being able to participate in the fashion show as a team is a very orchestrated, strategic experience. It's really important to us as the hair and makeup support team to provide the designer with the look that they're wanting. So in-depth consultations with the designers are imperative for the outcome of this show. Our first featured artist, Sue Winner, she's over-the-top, dramatic, stunning showstopper.
My designs this year will be very unusual. I like drama, I like to make it entertaining, but I still want pieces that people can wear and be out and about and feel special and unique. The first design that I'm going to be doing is with Banjara fabric from northern India. I'm honoring the artisans who did this many years ago and resurrecting it in an erotic way.
The next featured artist is Edith Otto. She is inspired by old Hollywood and vintage vibes.
I make garments and hats. I use a lot of new fabric that I've dyed until I get a piece of fabric that I'm happy with. One of the pieces that I'm going to use in the show is a plum purple dress, cut velvet, multi-dyed, and a beautiful shawl that goes with it that has handmade fringe. I dyed 1,000,000 yards of silk thread and I made the tassels, and they're pretty spectacular.
Another featured designer, Reem Khalil, works with sustainable goods.
This year's fashion show, I'm going to be showing some pretty bold colors. I'm going to be using cochineal dyes and root matters to create some vivid reds and mushrooms to create a beautiful composition of nature with leaf prints, just to dance all over the female form. It's going to be exciting to watch. I'm so grateful for Laura Linsenmeyer, who is our sponsor from Roots and Beauty, and we're so honored to have her support our natural, local-made Laguna Beach designers here at the Sawdust Art Festival.